Damn, just woke up from a quick nap. But what is going on, guys? It is your boy Rish, man. Thank you for tuning back for another video. It is your boy's birthday, 23 years young, but my back feeling like 80. Not as much anymore, I've been feeling a little bit better, but I gotta get back in the gym, get back in the flow. As you can tell, we're at Shooter's World. Let's see how it is, and hopefully we can record and, you know, do all that fun stuff. So, thank you guys for tuning in. Leave a thumbs up and comments. Wish a motherfucker a happy birthday, you know, and, you know, let's get into it.
This Smith & Wesson M&P is all like a block. Pretty simple. This one has a little safety. When it's up, you'll be able to shoot. When it's down, you will. Little button right here. So you get the mag out, it'll pop out like that. It's pretty simple as well. Get this one out. Pull this down. Pull that out. Little latch right here. Up is safe. Whenever you pull this down, you're going to go all the way down.
We are in the workshop. You guys hear that fucking buzzing? It's annoying. I gotta change the lightings. I'm actually going to Harbor Freight right now and get 1, 2, 3, 4 probably lighting fixtures. Change these out, get it a little refreshed, and see what's good, because you need better lighting in here. You see this? You guys probably barely see me that good. Let's go. We are pulling up to the Harbor Freight. Everything is like kind of down the street because we are off of like a US 19 highway, which is real busy. Yeah, pretty dope. So things are close by. Home Depot too is down the street. Everything, mall, you know, all that. So good shit. And this nice ILX A-Spec. These shits are clean. So, I got 8 of them. It was $88.99. I got a 2-year protection plan, $4, and if any of them messes up, I can just bring that back and get a new one. So regardless, I don't know, it's pretty cheap. Black Friday deals too. So all in all, save some monies. All right, guys. So now we're back. We installed 2 of the lights from Harbor Freight. One right here. I felt like that was the best positioning. Like literally my OCD, like I wanted things like even wise, because if I put it right there that way, it just wouldn't fucking look right. And we got all these other shits going on right now. So there's that, and I did one right here to kind of match that side. See how dark it is right now? I don't have other lights on. It lightens up a little bit, but these ones, whew. So first one, I fucked up a little bit, but it works. So, and let's go to this side. This one really lightens up too. Damn, so bright. How's the quality?
Pretty damn good.
You guys see me good? It's gonna be a lot better too, because I'll probably end up adding one down over here as well. Yeah, just a little progress in the workshop. Lighting is key, so you guys can see in the videos and not to turn up the ISO and things get all grainy. I'm trying to give you guys that quality. So what up, what up, what up, guys? Welcome back to the Rish workshop, workspace, little garage space area, whatever you want to call it. So it's day after Thanksgiving, so hope you guys had a great time with your family and, you know, good foods and all that fun stuff. So that being said, let's kind of get into this video. Bunch of interior pieces, guys. If you see anything that you may need, that you want, the door sills, stuff, a bunch of interior pieces, all the random shit. Bunch of little things. OEM Tsx mats. Anyone want these? I'm not too sure yet on the price, 80 bucks or something. bunch of all the random shit that came out the boxes, and a little from the shelving that I had over there that I don't need. There might be a couple other things. Yeah, I see a couple other things like the cubby down there and stuff. I actually have to take that out too. Yeah, if you guys see anything here that you like, may need, a bunch of random interior pieces, a lot of random interior pieces, OEM mats, high quality metal for a header. I'm supposed to use that for a custom header. OEM headers, a fan, seat belts, throttle body. That is a 06 to 08 one. And yeah, so let me know if you guys want anything, need anything. Cheap, for the most part, for a lot of this shit, cheap. So I got basically everything cleaned and put away. A lot of those interior parts are back in there. But yeah, shelving is pretty stacked up at the moment. Recent motor breakdown, like not the recent, like the first one from my actual TSX. Some spare parts down there. And this is all the new spare motor. First car washes here in Florida. Clean up all these cars. They all need a wash. Alright guys, a little further updates. I got the TSX basically all clean. Still probably have to wipe down the windows. I gotta get different soap because this one, for some reason, it really likes to stain and shit. So I really gotta get different soap. And then I just go wipe down the windows and clean the Civic. My girl came out here so she could start vacuuming the car. And yeah, then after that, made smoke one and then come back in the lab and fucking, you know, jot down some plans, make some phone calls and things like that. Scare me. Like popping out of nowhere. Do a waterless wash, wipe down on this because the shitty McGuire's soap I was using, it just stained everything, and that's kind of defeats the purpose of the wash. I'll catch you guys back in like a second from now for you. Select a character, Rish. Yeah, man, I'm a f***ing skater boy now. Shout out to my girl behind the camera. She got me a longboard for my birthday and other GoPro accessories. If you guys want to see full vlog stuff and life shit and other things that we do besides the car things, go check out my vlog channel, Rish Vlogs. Link's always down below, so make sure you guys go subscribe, check out the videos, dope ass vibes. But yeah, man. I had to start learning how to skate and, you know, keep my balance on a board. I tried skating a little bit earlier. I went down the street, almost broke my ankle because the shoes I had just weren't it. So I went to the mall, caught me some new Vans. Yeah, man. So now all I need is like a beach t-shirt. Yeah, let me pop open this garage door or whatever and go try some skating. But you guys ain't gonna look at that right now if I don't want to bust my ass on camera. Alright guys, what is going on? Quick little update. I was just sitting here in the garage workshop doing my thing. Really think about what I'm gonna do a little bit. Just writing down a bunch of notes just so I don't forget things and just jot it down. What it come with, what's reusable, machine shops, different ones I have to call. Only got price quotes from one. From JBR Engines, which is a really, I guess, well-known machine shop. Honing and boring for all 4 cylinders, $150. Full block machine and assemble is $1550, which all in all, like, machining work is f***ing expensive, guys. So either way, I'm kind of gonna be spending, you know, a little bit. That's if I want them to assemble it all, or, you know, I buy the tools and just kind of learn it myself somehow, some way, or whatever, through a bunch of videos and just time and patience. So maybe I could do that. Head porting, I think they said like $12.50, which I was kind of shocked about. Yeah, I gotta call like 4 more spots I have listed down here. Yeah, just a little update for you guys. I don't want to ramble on for too long, but Just kind of sitting here trying to really write down my thoughts. I be on 1,000 24/7 and just trying to do things, man. So I had to plan out my thoughts a little bit, trying to figure out what I'm gonna do next. Thinking, like, if I do a budget build, would it be really smart to go get a JDM motor? Because then I have to break that down. Or should I just spend the money on kind of like a budget build, rebuild, and you know, do that for this motor? And for my first TSX motor, I could like really build it proper for boost, like high power type of thing. So let me know in the comments down below, guys. That being said, let me just cut it out here. My arm is about to fall off. This camera is heavy, so thank you guys for tuning in. Yo, what is going on, guys? We are back the next day after a little bit of refreshing, sitting on it, going for a walk and jotting down some notes. I think my best route with this motor situation is just to do a rebuild. Maybe on this motor, I'm gonna do a budget build. Try to do mostly everything myself, maybe. You know, I feel pretty capable of doing a lot of things, and I've learned a lot over the time. For what I did for work, you know, I worked at Pratt & Whitney, all these machine shops, things like that, inspections. So measuring with tools, micrometers, and tenths, 10,000ths, you know, things like that. So I think I'm decently capable enough to assemble a motor and learn messes up, learn from that and redo it. I know how to break down a motor. I need to learn how to put together one. And I want to do it where it's a budget friendly kind of build. Do a little price list, part list, and kind of go from there and see how much things will run me compared to like this and that. I don't want to keep putting myself in debt. Trying to make some money makers. Like right now, I've been just finding all the type of shit I could sell, list it for sale, and put it all over marketplace, offer up. I'm gonna try eBay now too, and just start selling things, flipping things, and making more money. Your boy wants the property out here, a house, a living, and a shop. I want to have a TSX shop someday, Honda shop, multiple, everything, man. I'm trying to have a Rish shop and live. So that being said, thank you guys for tuning in with the update. All right. What is going on, guys? As you could tell, I have the Type S oil pump split apart because I need to double check it is all right. I was spinning it and like running oil through it and brake cleaner and stuff to kind of like clean it out and whatnot and see if anything flows through. I don't know, it was supposed to spin freely, but it was like hesitant and stuff. Why not take apart the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts and split it apart just to be sure. Nothing seems like broken, like nothing's chipped, nothing's broken from what I see. That looks fine, no gashes. So in reality, I think I should be fine. I'm just gonna clean it out more and whatever. I'm gonna have to look it up and double check, but yeah, I don't know, man. It's the first time. I've never even split open a like oil pump or nothing before, but I am learning, guys. This is the first time for everything. Just trying to do things, show you guys, and hopefully you guys maybe learn something as well. And don't be like scared to try new things and whatnot, because dude, this whole year and last 2 years I've been trying new things. Like me coming here to Florida and stuff, moving my entire life and all this and that. That's a big new thing. So I'm over here trying to adjust, get back in my flow, and you know, just do what I do, you know? Yep. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys maybe some close-ups, kind of how this works. So it's literally pretty fucking simple. Really just this thing slots in, then when it spins, it just kind of all goes together, flows. Everything looks pretty fine. I mean, chicken rice dinner better be done soon. I mean, see, look, I'm holding it together, guys, and like spinning, like it almost has like a hesitation. Let me know in the comments, guys, you know, let me get some second opinions on this little how's it going, guys? Welcome back. I'm just kidding. Just a little update today. We gonna go to Next Gen Tuning where I bought my parts from. Go pick up what they have now. I was waiting for my the tracking stopped on it with FedEx and whatever, and like the package got lost and whatnot, so they had to buy another on their dime and already shipped it out. So yeah, I have to wait a little bit longer for that, but it should be coming still, and hopefully I don't have to deal with no Pick it up, I think it's like 11 miles away, 20-minute ride or something, so not bad. Go pick up some parts, but if you guys want to see what I bought from here, tune into next video, man. Just do me a favor, tune into next video, subscribe, like, and leave a comment, man. Leave a comment on what you think and I'm picking up. You guys have to, you know, tune in the next video to really know, you know?
I'll shoot you a text. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be next Monday. I'm sure. Thank you. Take it easy.
Yes, sir. Next gen tuning. Pretty nice little storefront, you know? Nice in there. Cool guy. Tune into the next video, like I said. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off. So high I cannot see.